Hello, Junior 4. With you, Mrs. Nala Ali. Today we're gonna answer the dialogue exercises together. It's Unit 11, Life in the North. Okay, please open your booklet, page 82. Now, the first dialogue is finish the following dialogue. I have a piece of information here, which is Oliver meets his friend John in the street. So I have two persons talking together. They meet in the street, Oliver and his friend John. Oliver said, "Hello, John. I see you're in a hurry." Then he asked John a question. John answered, "Hello, Oliver. I'm going to Hope Hospital." Oliver, he asked a question. John, he said, "To visit my uncle who was injured in a car accident." Then Oliver asked the question, "Could I go with you, John?" John said, "That's very kind of you." So let's take it part by part. Here Oliver said, "Hello, John. I see you're in a hurry." He asked the question. The answer is, "I'm going to Hope Hospital. So I have to ask about a great job, a place. So I have to use where. And my tense here is present continuous for future. Sometimes I use present continuous to express the near future as we say it. Okay, so it will be, where are you going? Then he asked another question and John answered, "To visit my uncle who was injured or hit in a car accident." So he said a reason. So if I have a reason starting with to or because, it will be the WH question word why. Then the same tense, which is present continuous for future, it will be, why are you going there? Or why are you going to the hospital? Then Oliver asked, "Could I go with you, John?" He said, "That's very kind of you." So I can say, "Sure, okay, great idea, sounds great." Then let's go to number 2. Supply the missing parts in the following dialogue. I have a piece of information here too. Bobby's talking to his father about the school trip, so I got some information. There is a son called Bobby. He's talking to his father about the school trip. Let's read all of the dialogue, then answer it part by part. Bobby said, "Dad, would you read this paper and sign it, please?" Dad asked, "What is written in it?" Bobby answered. Then Dad asked another question. Bobby answered, "We're going to visit the Eiffel Tower in France." Dad asked another question and Bobby answered, "It's in the summer holiday." Dad said, "Great, I hope you will have a nice time." So let's take it part by part. When Bobby said, "Dad, would you read this paper and sign it, please?" Dad asked, "What's written in it?" Here I have the information and the answer. It was about the school trip. So I will say the answer. There is a school trip to France. Then Dad asked a question. The answer was, "We're going to visit the Eiffel Tower in France." Eiffel Tower, it's something. So I will use WH question word what. For things and animals, I have to use the question word what. And I have here the present continuous for the future, which is and is are plus going or plus ing. So it will be, what are you going to visit in France? We're going to visit the Eiffel Tower in France. Then he asked, "It's in the summer holiday." So he said the time. Or about Dad, what was his question? What's the time of this trip? Or when is the trip? Dad said, "Great, I hope you will have a nice time." Okay, you have homework assignment Junior 4, which is in page 83. You have to read the reading comprehension, which is about to save or not to save. It's here, you can see it. And I want you to underline new vocabulary, new words, like new ideas, new idioms, new phrasal verbs. Okay, and tell me what you understood, then we will answer it together. Thanks a lot, Junior.